you like to bake, you probably already found our all-butter pie crust. This is a little different. This is for tarts and crostatas. The recipes are different because tart and crostata crusts have to hold up on their own. When we make a tart, we're going to unmold it. A crostata is free form, and so the crust has to be able to hold in whatever filling we're working with. The main difference between our pie crust and our crostata and tart crust recipes is in technique. You're going to end up working this dough a little more, which is going to help its structure just hold up in the ways it needs to. But it's just as easy, and it's super delicious based on all butter. Even people who don't like gluten-free are going to like this one.